Tyrannosaurus Rex means Tyrant Lizard King. Welcome to the Real Dinosaur Zoo. Today we'll explore ancient habitats and come face to face with the most famous predator to ever walk the earth. Those plates weren't just armor. Scientists believe they helped regulate the Stegosaurus's body temperature.
Here we have the mighty Triceratops. A full-grown adult could weigh as much as a small truck, with horns powerful enough to deter most predators.
An adult Tyrannosaurus Rex could reach nearly 40 feet long and weigh around 9 tons, roughly the weight of a large city bus. For our more adventurous visitors, the upper viewing gallery offers a much closer look. Welcome to Raptor Roost.
This small prehistoric mammal is Leptocadidium, a fast-hopping insect hunter that lived over 40 million years ago. Fruitophosor was a specialized insect hunter that used powerful claws to dig for termites millions of years ago.
If you enjoyed today's adventure and want to support the park, make sure to subscribe before you leave.